Hey Matrix, if your child's maths exams didn't go how you wanted them to, and you're now feeling stressed or anxious about your finals, we have just the thing for you. We have our online maths exam prep course. This is what you'll see when you come into your grade 12 maths exam prep course. You'll get a welcome message, which will break down everything that you can expect, and quick and easy links to access your mathematics data sheet, as well as a little freebie that we've included for you, a grade 12 maths power checklist. So, how do you start your course? You navigate to the course outline tab, then you can click on the section that you're needing to revise, and that'll lead you straight into the course. From there, you can watch the videos
of your exam prep course. In this section, we cover algebra, functions.
From there, you will head to your next video by clicking the next lesson button and downloading the notes for that section. We also have an AI summary that will sum up everything that has been covered in that video, along with lesson resources to help you to understand. At any point, you can pause, stop, rewind, or even take a break, and you can just come back and click the resume button to take you right back into where you left off. So, head to Advantage Learn now to sign up for our exam prep course today. Happy learning!